Hello learners. In this video, we will deep dive into the concept of closures in JavaScript. So, watch this video till the end. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. Before getting into the concept of closures, first quickly understand global scope and local scope variable. We have created a variable globally, and inside a function we are trying to print the value of the variable. As the variable is global scope, so it is easily accessible inside or outside a block. Let's try same thing with a local scope variable. Here, we have created a variable inside the function and trying to access the variable from inside the function as well as outside the function. But, we could not access the local variable from outside the functional block. This is because local variable has local scope whereas global variable has global scope. Now, let's understand the concept of closure. A closure is created when a function remembers the variables from its outer function even after that outer function has finished executing. Let's understand it with a code example. JavaScript works on the lexical scoping, which means scope of a variable is based on where code is written. I will create two nested functions, outer function and inner function. Inside the inner function we will try to access the new variable which is originally in outer function. In this example, new variable is outer scope and thus, it is accessible to the inner function. Here, we can access new variable from inside inner function because of lexical scope, and the phenomenon is called closure. Even if we update the value of new variable after the inner function, still it will consider the new variable updated value. Let's see a real-life application of closures with an example. In this example, counterfunc function stores the value of count and every time it returns the updated value like 1, 2, 3, etc. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.